The first step is just creating a vertical line. I'm just going to arbitrarily put a piece down here. I could try to match it up over onto the side here. But I'm just going to just kind of get the overall length, and I'm going to start off again with putting these lines lined up to help me get my vertical line. Now the top and bottom of this, wherever it ends up, is going to go to the left vanishing point. I'm not going to draw the line all the way. I'm just going to let it fade away because I know that I'm just going to shorten that up. And do the same to the right. Here's the point, and make sure that you're going all the way to the vanishing point. So this one, again, I'm not going to go all the way. And same with this bottom one, because I know I'm just going to do about 5 of these little boxes. So there's the angle front part of it. I just have to arbitrarily decide where it's going to start and stop. And again, using your ruler, take a look at the bottom or 2 numbers corresponding on either side of your scale to help you finish that piece up right there. So this is going to end up being the 2 fronts of the cube. We've done this before. Put the pencil down sometimes to put the ruler again, then just rotate to the vanishing point, and it makes it pretty easy. So here's the point. That way it helps me line it up, and here's the vanishing point. So I'm just going to lightly place that in there. So there's the box, and I just want to transpose that across. So I just need to find the center of this again. So I'm going to find the center. Just put the point, rotate the ruler, and estimate about how far it is in the middle. Do the same on this side. I just need the point right there. And now this one is the measuring line, so it's going to go a little bit further. It's going to cut through here and set it up. So once I have this center located on this vertical, then I'm just using the diagonal from here to here to go ahead and plot my course around here, so I can easily see how it lines up here to extend to this. And this is where you want to try to take your time being accurate. So I put the pencil there, line up the bottom of this ruler, and that gives me that first space. It's equal distances in perspective only. So here's the next 2, and I just line these across, and here's the point. This part's going to go up too. So there's 3, just do 2 more. Here's the 4th one, so I'm just making that mark. And there's the 4th one. So you can see it's very simple. It's just a repeated pattern that cuts across right there. So there's the 5th one. And like I said, just by putting the point down helps me locate the section for the ruler. Now, I'm just going to take the pen to kind of clean it up a little bit and just highlight that part. So the first part of this box is pretty good. Okay. I know I'm going to use this one, so I can go ahead and, I didn't draw a pencil line, but I'm just going to use it to finish off the pen line. And it gets kind of tight as it goes up there, so that's the 3rd one and the 5th one. So just about all points are going to be there for that section. And then I can just line this one up and go ahead and just close that one off. And so now I have all the tops that are also equal distances apart in that section. Here's the bottom pieces for that. And all the verticals are pretty easily laid out there. So like I said, it's kind of nice to just put the pen down to help you line up the ruler. Now this one is going to have the overlap, so I'm just going to start off with the front first. And all I have to do is connect these two to this vanishing point to the left. So just line that up there. That one. I'm going to give it a little heavier stroke just so it looks like it has the thickness of it setting down. And then these points would just be a vertical line, so just locate the corner and straighten out your straight edge right there. And you have your initial piece. Now again, this is in the foreground, middle ground, background type of an idea. So as I start to get in there, I'm just going to heavy up just the bottom part of this one, just to show it. But now when I take a look at this from the original one, you can kind of see it was an arbitrary space. If you had to, you could actually plot down on this piece where this would rest on the ground plane. But now you have this double section here, so that's the piece you're trying to recreate. Okay.